In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho People Leave. To begin, make sure you are signed in and looking at your Zoho People dashboard. This is the main screen where you can access the tools you need to manage time off. The goal here is to create a leave type, set the way it is measured, and define how much leave employees are entitled to receive. At the top of the dashboard, locate the plus icon. This is used to add new items, including leave configurations. Click the plus icon to open the available options. From that menu, click Leave. This will take you into the area where you can set up a new leave type for your organization. Now you will add the details for the leave type. Start by entering the leave type name. Use a clear name that employees will recognize right away, such as casual leave, sick leave, or vacation leave. Naming matters because this is what people will see when they request time off, and it also affects reporting later. Next, set the unit for this leave type. Choose days or hours based on how your company tracks time off. Days are usually best for standard full-day absences. Hours are helpful if employees often take partial days or if you track leave in smaller increments. Pick the option that matches your policy so requests and balances stay accurate. After that, go to Entitlement. This is where you define how much leave employees receive. You will see options like monthly, yearly, or fixed. Monthly is typically used when leave accrues each month. Yearly is used when employees receive an annual allowance, often at the start of the year or on an anniversary cycle. Fixed is helpful when the entitlement does not follow a monthly or yearly accrual pattern and you want to assign a set amount. Select the entitlement type that aligns with your leave policy and enter the number of days or hours employees should receive based on the unit you chose earlier. Take a moment to review what you entered, since this determines employee leave balances. When everything looks correct, click Submit. This saves the leave type and makes it available for use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.